every once in a while I get a cool build that is a little bit different than the rest of the stuff we do up here. I'm so used to being repetitive and doing the same trucks over and over and over, but every once in a while there's one that excites me because it's kind of my style. It's like my Tahoe a little bit, like Alex's truck. Got us a 2014 Silverado out here, 1500. We're going to be doing a McGaughys lift kit and some Nitto mud grapplers. And I'm super excited about it. Take a look at this truck. Let me know what you think. And by the way, there's a little damage on the front bumper. Give him a break. He's a young kid, first truck. So, you know, I remember my first truck. There she is, 2014 Silverado 1500. Came with the factory 20-inch wheels, the chrome ones here. So this customer was going to buy a set of wheels from me, right? And maybe like some 22s or 24s or 26s or something like that. And I told him that I really like the wheels that were on this truck already. And he said, nah, man, I don't like those. He says, I want something black, something silver, something like that. So I ended up showing him a video and a picture of my Tahoe last year when I had to run a set of this exact wheel. I was in between wheels. I was waiting on my 28s for my money, and I had sold my other wheels from JTX before. So I had a set of these wheels laying around the shop, and I put some 40-inch Gladiators on this wheel and put it on my Tahoe, and it really looked cool. Well, I showed him that picture, and he said, hey, man, let's do that. Let's just do whatever you got right there in that picture. So we threw a quote together. We're doing some wheel spacers, some mud grapplers, and that McGaughys kit. This truck's going to be awesome. Thanks, guys.
This is my 2024.
So we got the 2014 Silverado 1500 ready to go, and I couldn't be happier about it. This truck looks absolutely beautiful. The good thing about this truck that I really like about it is it's different. There's not a whole bunch of people doing this yet. I think the trend is coming, but this truck on those mud grapplers just looks amazing, and the fact that it has a McGaughys lift on it too is, you know, just the next bonus to the whole deal. So this is a I don't know what I said in the earlier part of the video. It was a couple of days ago when I filmed that, but this kid is young, and he's gonna fall in love with this truck. I think I enjoy better doing trucks for, like, you know, 17, 18, 20-year-old kids, because the customers that are like 40 or 50, they've had everything already. You know, they have money, and this stuff doesn't mean as much to them as it does to the kids. And I think back to whenever I was, like, you know, 17, 18 years old. I had a Chevy Silverado, and all I wanted was a lift kit and some mud grapplers. And, you know, it took me 5 to 6, 7 years before I even got my lift kit. And the lift kit that I got at the time was a 6-inch rough country, and that's really all I could afford at the time. I loved the lift kit, it was good, but to have a McGaughys lift on a, you know, bright red Silverado like this with mud grapplers is a big deal when you're his age. So I wanted to say I appreciate it to him if he's watching the video. And, you know, his dad, they were in here, you know, negotiating the deal up and coming up with what we were going to do on it. And it's a great looking truck, and I do appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy it. So check it out. So here's the truck again, guys. Chevy Silverado 1500 2014. Before anybody in the comments calls this out, I'm going to say it again. The front bumper is definitely beat up a little bit, but I think that the customer told me he's going to replace it, or he's going to put like an aftermarket one on it, which I hope he don't. I really like the way stock bumpers look with the mud grapplers on these trucks. So, you know, that's his truck though. He gets to decide. Anyway, we did the 37 13 50 20 Nitto mud grappler. I've told you guys 100 times, this is my favorite tire. The only reason I don't own these on my personal vehicle is they don't make it for a big wheel like a 26 or a 28. This is being a 20. The mud grappler was the only tire that came to mind when he asked me what's the best looking one. The good thing about this tire is it doesn't ride rough. It really rides smooth. It does have a lot of noise with it, but other than that, it's a very smooth riding tire, and it does last a while. He'll probably get, you know, 40, 50,000 miles out of these tires, no issues, as long as he's not doing burnouts and things like that. So I know at that age that I was doing burnouts, so my tires never did last that long. But the lift kit we did on this is the silver McGaughys 7 and 9 inch kit. This one is set at 9 inches. You see everything with the angles is still good, even though it's on the higher end of the lift kit, 9 inches. We also did a set of the McGaughys upper control arms here. Now, the only flaw here is McGaughys does not make this arm in silver. I don't know if they ever did in the past. They may have. I've seen them in silver before, but nowadays it's only black. So the colors are a little off from the lift kit to the control arm, but it does have those little small silver accent pieces on top that make it match. The good thing is he bought one of the older style control arms that has the gray painted or powder coated pieces on top instead of the stainless steel or chrome looking ones. So that works out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about this truck. Is this a good look, or should he have gone with big, wide, you know, rims and tires? Personally, I think it looks complete with these, but, you know, everybody's got their own opinion, so I'd like to hear it. If you have any questions or you want to price anything, you know where to find me. I'm at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. My phone number is 678-994-9180, and I literally work here every single day, Monday through Friday. So if you have any questions, you just want to call and talk to me, give me a call. I appreciate you guys watching. Well, to conclude my week of Dodges, we got a Ram 3500 Mega Cab here for you. This is like a 2022. Getting a Carly leveling kit in the front. I'll take you through the details and let you know what I think about it. Appreciate you watching. we got the Ram done. Customer is inside picking it up right now. I wanted to come out here and just do a little walk around the truck. Real fast, this is like a 2022 Ram 3500. The best part about this truck to me is the mega cab. I love the mega cab. Look how big that back seat is. And this is one of the only dually trucks you can get with a short bed. That's awesome. He's running the stock wheels on here right now with some 35-inch Nitto trail grapplers. Looks amazing. He just did a suspension upgrade with us today, as you saw in the video earlier. We did the Carly 2.5-inch leveling system here, and wanted to show you the shocks. This is a custom King shock that has black. Typically, they have the blue accents on these shocks, and you can't really get the black ones like this. They have to be purchased through a third-party company that does this, but man, it looks amazing. This kit comes with the Reservoir Fox shocks and the new track bar right there. Rides amazing. All the angles are perfect. This is an awesome truck. I'd love to have one like this. Let me know what you think in the comments. And once again, if you have any questions, feel free to call me. My name is Jake. Phone number here is 678-994-9180. We're at Southern Tire in McDonough, Georgia. I'm gonna do a whole video on this truck. It's for a regular customer named Jeremy of mine. The truck's a 2024 F450 Platinum, and we did this is a used set of wheels and tires that came off my brother's truck. It's a 28-inch KG1 Trident with a 38 1350 28 Fury MT. Just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to get into this kind of setup. This is a Ready Lift 3.5-inch leveling system. It's very, very good and affordable and all, and it puts you in the game to put these big tires and wheels on the truck. Truck looks amazing. If I had a daily driver that had wheels on it and I had to pull trailers and things like that, this is the way I would go, because you can still pull your goosenecks or your fifth wheels. Everything works out just fine. Truck drives good too. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments, guys. It's 2024 F450 Platinum.